Deco has been aiming for high-quality and high-end network solutions. Since its launch in 2016, Deco has been well-loved by global customers, whether in the Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6 era, with its beauty, powerful performance, and reliability. Now with the latest technology Wi-Fi 7, the industry's fastest mesh Deco BE95 comes with a quad-band maximum speed of 33 gigabits per second Wi-Fi and 10 gigabit ports. It's designed to be exquisite and elegant. Its speeds of up to 33 gigabits per second are made up of 4 frequencies, including two 6 GHz bands, each at 11,520 megabits per second, 8,640 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, and 1,148 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. Additionally, one of the 6 GHz bands can serve as a dedicated backhaul, and the other can be used as an open network. This way, the backhaul performance between Deco units benefits, bringing the most stable and strongest network. And it also improves the overall Wi-Fi performance, even if you don't have Wi-Fi 7 compatible devices. The 4 bands feature 16 streams and deliver a total speed of 33 gigabits per second, with even more benefits from Wi-Fi 7, including a wider 320 MHz bandwidth, denser 4K QAM, and MLO that transmits more data simultaneously. Deco BE95 is 300% faster than the previous generation of the industry's fastest quad-band Wi-Fi 6E mesh, allowing you to have an unprecedented super-fast network experience, such as immersive real-time AR/VR activities. Wi-Fi 7 represents the 10G era, and the outstanding 10 gigabit wired connection gives you an unprecedented experience. Deco BE95 is also equipped with one 10 gigabits per second SFP fiber and RJ45 Ethernet combo port, and one 10 gigabits per second RJ45 Ethernet port, both with WAN/LAN auto-sensing. Among them is a single 10 gigabits per second SFP Plus slot for high bandwidth connectivity, converting fiber data to Ethernet cable data with an SFP module. This builds long-range point-to-point connections easily. Additionally, it is also equipped with 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet ports, providing more flexibility for your wired connections. With all of this, we have whole-home multi-gigabit connectivity, both wireless and wired. Speaking of whole-home multi-gigabit, we conducted a series of tests with the 2-pack Deco BE95. This 5-bedroom villa is 2 stories at around 4.6 thousand square feet, with the interior made up of drywalls. This 2-pack Deco BE95 was tested with 10 gigabits per second wired backhaul and 4x4 multi-link operation compatible clients. From the speed heat map, we can see every room where a Deco is located is around speeds of 9 to 10 gigabits per second and gradually decreases with distance. Most of the villa is covered by 7 to 8 gigabits per second. Due to a large number of walls, the edge of the home receives around 5 to 6 gigabits per second. This is a whole home multi-gigabit Wi-Fi network. If you have trouble connecting your Deco BE95 with a wired backhaul, you can just use the wireless backhaul instead. We've also tested the whole home speed under wireless backhaul. Let's have a look. The first floor remains the same as the last tests, but due to the ceiling between the 2 floors, the BE95 at the center of the second floor is around 6.5 gigabits per second, and most of the house's speed can reach around 5 to 6.5. The whole home wireless speeds are slightly slower than the previous one, but still, it shows excellent results. The true whole home multi-gigabit connection is not just about wireless. With 2 10G WAN/LAN auto-sensing ports, Deco BE95 is able to reach 10 gigabit ISP service access. The other Ethernet ports can also be used as LAN ports connecting with devices. This way, whether wired or wireless, BE95 delivers whole home multi-gigabit connectivity. Enjoy smooth 8K streaming, immersive AR/VR gaming, and a blazing fast NAS server. This was just one test of our whole home Wi-Fi 7 systems coverage. Home networking performance may vary depending on the network speeds, fiber or Ethernet access, Wi-Fi interference, obstacles, walls, areas, and clients. If your house's interior contains brick, concrete, or metal panels, the wireless performance might not be as good as the one we tested. Luckily, since all Deco models work together, if you want more coverage, you only need to add more Deco units as needed to flexibly expand and adapt to the needs of different house types. So, if your home is larger than the one we tested, just add more Deco units to get better performance. In order to provide a more comprehensive reference to users, in the future, we'll provide more tests conducted in various types of houses and locations. For more choices, we are also releasing two other Wi-Fi 7 mesh systems, Deco BE85 and Deco BE65. Deco BE85 is a 12-stream Wi-Fi 7 mesh system with a rate of up to 22 gigabits per second and is equipped with two 10G ports and a powerful CPU. For those who need 2.5 gigabit connections more than 10 gigabit, we have Deco BE65. Deco BE65 is designed for mid-end tri-band 2.5 gigabits per second multi-gigabit networking. It is equipped with four 2.5 gigabit RJ45 WAN LAN ports, breaking through the 1 gigabit bottleneck and driving your devices to peak performance. Its wireless speeds, up to 11 gigabits per second, are made up of three frequencies: 5,760 megabits per second on the 6 gigahertz band, 4,320 megabits on 5 gigahertz, and 574 on 2.4 gigahertz. Also, the USB 3.0 port enables easy media sharing and private cloud building. Lastly, BE65 is also compatible with Deco BE95 and Deco BE85. You're able to form a whole home multi-gigabit mesh network by connecting all Wi-Fi 7 Deco mesh products. We've also tested the speed and coverage performance of the two-pack Deco BE65 under the same conditions as BE95, a 2-story 5-bedroom villa with drywall. This two-pack Deco BE65 was tested with 2.5 gigabits per second wired backhaul and 2x2 MLO clients. As we can see from the heat map, most of the home is covered by 2.5 gigabit high-speed connections. The edge of the house also remained at around 2 gigabits per second. This is our Wi-Fi 7 Deco mesh system, a true whole-home multi-gigabit mesh solution covering every corner of your home. How do we realize the true whole-home multi-gig mesh Wi-Fi? Apart from Wi-Fi 7 technology and leveling up the hardware and specifications, TP-Link has been investing in developing the Deco system to provide the optimal mesh Wi-Fi experience. From the first generation of Deco, based on the Deco Mesh technology and software platform, TP-Link has built the Deco Mesh ecosystem version 3 step by step to reach the top. This is the pinnacle of mesh. There are 5 reasons why our mesh is top. 1. Our ultimate whole home multi-gigabit coverage. 2. Our intensive seamless roaming experience. 3. Our advanced IoT mesh. 4. Our diversified product lines. And 5. Easy management with the integrated Deco app version 3. Coverage has always been one of the major pain points mesh products aim to alleviate. Users often hate receiving no network in some corners of their homes, like washrooms, basements, garages, and backyards. Even with Wi-Fi connections, the signals are too weak to stay online. Deco BE95, based on the newly upgraded Deco System Platform version 3, with the latest and strongest Wi-Fi 7 and 10G ports, can give you ultra-high speed to the entire house without dead zones. No more searching around for signals or worrying about network drops. Flexible backhaul connection plays an important role in achieving whole home high-speed coverage, and a variety of different backhaul connections ensure the best transmissions between Deco units. From our very first Deco system through our self-developed technology, Deco was able to communicate with each unit simultaneously across different bands. And today, Deco is able to connect wireless and wired backhaul at the same time. And wired backhaul is not only just about Ethernet wired, but also power line wired. With the latest Wi-Fi 7 MLO technology, backhaul aggregation processing is transferred from the application layer to the bottom circuit layer, reducing the processing time and increasing the aggregation flow rate. This way, it greatly improves overall throughput and reduces latency, delivering broader coverage with more stable and reliable connections. Our Deco Ecosystem version 3 is not just about coverage, but also about the intensive, seamless roaming experience. Traditional mesh provides an uninterrupted streaming experience as you move throughout your signal coverage area. However, your network conditions can still be undermined by many other factors in a real environment, such as your router's placement, thick walls, or even a microwave. Armed with AI-driven mesh technology, Deco automatically learns the network environment, client quality, and user behaviors in your home. With sophisticated multi-factored algorithms, Deco customizes an ideal mesh roaming solution with one unified network, ensuring seamless streaming at the fastest possible speeds. We experimented with AI roaming technology, testing the actual network speeds of a mobile phone while roaming around a house. Without AI roaming technology, connections are not always the strongest when moving between two or more nodes. But with the optimization of the AI algorithms, the roaming experience is much smoother, and the overall Wi-Fi performance is greatly improved. Besides coverage and roaming, IoT mesh is also one of our highlights. Since the first generation of Deco, we have built an IoT ecosystem. Today, with the upgrade of Wi-Fi technology, our IoT ecosystem is getting more comprehensive. If you're a fan of IoT devices, our Smart Home Mesh Wi-Fi is the best solution for you. Not only does it deliver ultra-fast Wi-Fi signals, but it also works as a hub to control all your smart home devices. This way, you don't need an additional hub. Simply enjoy the magic of your smart home in every room. TP-Link also offers Bluetooth onboarding, Wi-Fi onboarding, and the TP-Link Simple Setup function, or TSS. TSS detects your TP-Link smart home devices, including Tapo and Casa, and asks them to join the network. You're able to add your IoT devices effortlessly without a series of tedious configuration processes. TSS showcases its engagement in simplifying users' configuration and operating experience. This way, you're able to manage all your TP-Link smart home devices with just one Deco app. Our advanced IoT mesh is not just about TSS, but also Matter. Matter enables seamless communication among IoT devices across platforms, regardless of their manufacturer. We're one of the first companies to introduce Matter-certified products to the market following the debut of the Matter protocol in fall 2022. With the Matter protocol, Deco works as a central controller to manage all your Matter-certified devices. It allows you to access the devices in your local area network through the Deco app, even when your home goes offline. In the future, Deco will support the low-power and low-latency wireless mesh networking protocol Thread by inserting a USB dongle. And all of our Deco Wi-Fi 7 mesh products are equipped with a USB 3.0 port. This way, Deco is not only able to access smart home devices via Wi-Fi, but also via Thread. Besides our advanced IoT mesh, Deco Wi-Fi 6, 6E also provides solutions for all scenarios, and you can choose different Deco series or installation methods according to your demands. Now that Wi-Fi 7 is here, more products will be released for all new different demands, achieving what we call multi-scenario Deco Wi-Fi 7 mesh. As the most comprehensive home mesh solution, Deco Mesh provides solutions from indoors to outdoors, allowing you to stay online in the backyard or swimming pool. Deco not only provides networking indoors and outdoors, but also provides a variety of installation methods. For example, Deco X50 PoE lets you install, power, and access the internet exactly as you need. Place it on a tabletop, or install it on a ceiling or wall with our adaptive accessories. What's more, you can even put your Deco X50 outdoor on a pole to save even more space. In addition to physical installation, Deco also provides solutions for different network demands. For example, if you have thick walls or floors within your home, a power line mesh system is the best solution. Power line technology uses your home's electrical wiring to create a stronger connection between Deco units, reducing the impact of walls, floors, and other obstacles on signals. Also, Deco provides multi-gig Ethernet access, fiber service access, 5G, 4G, 3G mobile access, and DSL access to meet different ISP service needs. Here's a brief overview of our current Deco ecosystem. The Deco line covers all bases. Each unit works together with the rest, forming one unified network to meet every need imaginable. With the latest Wi-Fi generation upgrades, whole home coverage, seamless roaming, and our IoT mesh have also been upgraded to a whole new level. Meanwhile, our easy-to-use integrated Deco app has upgraded its software system to version 3. Deco version 3. Simple, easy, yet powerful. The Deco app has accumulated up to 7 million downloads from day one to the present and reached a rating of 4.8 out of 5. The actual use and ratings of users affirm our product quality. Manage your Wi-Fi at home or away on the Deco app. See every connected device, prioritize your own, and set up a guest network. With Deco version 3, we have a brand new user interface, adopting a minimalist design to prioritize function and clarity. The use of a simple color scheme and generous white space creates a comfortable and reliable visual experience. In version 3, it makes great use of card tiles and micro-iterations to create an effective and playful user experience. The most used features are well displayed on cards, enabling users to access them easily with one tap. Deco app version 3 helps users monitor home network usage and ensure network security through an integrated dashboard. The dashboard layout is well crafted based on feature priority and user scenario. We think like users, and Deco app version 3 is designed with them in mind. One more thing needs emphasizing. As we mentioned previously, all 50-plus Deco models are compatible with each other and can work together. This way, you don't have to worry about getting rid of your existing Deco when replacing it with the new Wi-Fi 7 network. Essentially, all Deco models work together. Well, that's our Deco in the Wi-Fi 7 era. True whole-home multi-gig mesh Wi-Fi with unparalleled mesh Wi-Fi experiences, powered by Wi-Fi 7 technology and Deco System version 3. Now, stepping into the Wi-Fi 7 era, Deco has formed a comprehensive home mesh solution, providing solutions from indoors to outdoors and flexible installation choices such as desktop, ceiling mounting, and wall mounting. Different practical network technologies are also included, such as PoE, power line, smart home mesh, 5G access, and DSL access to meet various network demands.